Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to use Git Blame command. So we can run a Git Blame command using Git Blame, but this time we have to provide file name for which we want to see the changes. So let's say I typed hello world.txt. This has only one commit and it was done by tag dev2 on this specific date and time. And the change was hello world, which we can see in this file. Let's run this command on the readme file. So this lists all the lines and its content on the right side, and on the left side commit ID and the developer details and timestamp. So we can see learn git the line 1 and 2 are done by tag dev1 in this specific commit ID, and the other three are done in this specific commit ID from tag dev2. We can also see content changes of a specific line range. For that, we can run command git blame with an additional argument -l and that line range, which starts from 2 and ends on 4. So if I run this command, it displays line 2, 3, 4, and the line 2, which is blank, is committed by tectev1 and the other two are done by tectev2. So that's how we can utilize git blame whenever we want to see who did the specific line changes in that particular file. So that's about this tutorial. If you find information useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in next tutorial.